Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity which is from Peaq. If you already farmed season 1, then you already know they gave a solid airdrop in season 1, so we hope they repeat that in season 2. So don't miss this airdrop. They recently shared an update on their X profile. They say Get Real season 2 is here and the total rewards pool is 210 million tokens. You may already be familiar with Peaq. The current price is around 0.297 per token and their market cap is 119 million. They're already listed on many well-known exchanges such as Bitget, Paxi, and also in Binance Alpha. Before joining the airdrop, if you don't want to miss all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find this page link. After landing on this page, click on Connect Wallet. Here you'll see lots of wallet options, but I'll select MetaMask. Then click Connect. Now click here, scroll down, and here you'll see the total amount of the prize pool for the airdrop. So click on Get Started, then agree to the terms. Now click on Next, and then click on Sign Message Now, then Confirm. Now here you need to choose your username. In the referral option, you can use my code to get some bonus XPs. I'll provide the code in the description. Then enter your email and click on Verify. Now you need to verify, so check your email for the code, copy the code, paste it here and click on Verify Email. Your email is verified now, so click Continue. After setting your profile, click on Next. Here choose any character you want, so I'll select this one. Then click on Next and confirm this. Your profile is ready to go. So here basically if you scroll down, you'll see the XP option. You basically need to increase as much XP as possible to jump into the leaderboard to earn high rewards. So how to earn XP? For that you need to click on the quest section. Here you'll see lots of quests, some are paid and some are free. First, I'll show some free tasks here. After completing these tasks, you will increase XPs, and then in the leaderboard, you need to increase your ranking. So back to the quest section and scroll down. Here is one of the free tasks available. So click on Begin Quests. Then you land on this website. Here you need to just create an account. So click on Next, then sign in. Now continue with Google. Select your email. And after creating your account, and then you just need to go back and click Verify. Basically you need to wait a few hours to verify, then you get your points. The next quest is this one, so click on Begin Quests. Here basically you need to download their app and just create an account. After that click Verify and it will also be completed. Now to complete the referral task, visit this website again and find the referral link. You need to get 10 referrals to complete all these tasks and earn all points. So make sure to check each of these tasks and complete as many as you can. Now I'll show you how to complete paid tasks. Click on this one. Here you need to swap tokens to earn XPs. If you swap $10, then you earn 5 XP. If you swap $100, then you earn 10 XP. If you swap $500, then you earn 20 XP. So click on Begin Quest. On the site, you need to connect your wallet. Then you can swap your tokens with the amounts you want. After the swap, go back to this site and click on Verify, and you earn XPs according to your swap volume. So also make sure to check them all. If you want a detailed video on all these tasks, then you can comment and I'll try to make a separate video on that. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.